up in the news tonight, massive search underway for man swept away by flood waters. Post-mortem confirms 8-year-old raped and strangled. And JCF mourns brutal murder of police corporal. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Shamela Pullen. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. Details right after the break.